Hello everyone, welcome to this week's Investment Trends, where we discuss the latest news in the stock market and the economy. So far this week, stocks have seen a little bit of a bumpy road, which were headlined by the earnings report from Nvidia, which came after market close on Wednesday. So Nvidia once again had a blowout quarter, so they surpassed earnings and revenue expectations, and for the most part had a great earnings report. However, on Thursday, the stock was down a little over 5% as investors fear what could happen with the artificial intelligence craze, their relationship with OpenAI, and also all of the capital expenditures that are going into these artificial intelligence companies. So, even though Nvidia had a great earnings report, it still saw the stock go down on Thursday, and in pre-market trading on Friday is down yet again. That ended up dragging the broader index of the NASDAQ down on the day as well. The S&P was down slightly on Thursday, but the Dow did advance slightly by 0.1%. Today marks the last trading day for the month of February. And in the month of February, we are seeing the NASDAQ down as much as 2.5% for the month, which is the worst month that it has had since last March. However, on the bright side, the Dow is up about 1.7% and the S&P is just down slightly. Now, a lot of these results could fluctuate a little bit with trading on Friday, and as we head into trading on Friday, we do see the pre-market futures are down slightly. This is due to an inflation report, the PPI index that came out for the month of January, which came in a little bit higher than expectations, and that is causing all of the three major indexes to decrease. Once again, we are continuing to see the trend of software stocks continuing to slide as Microsoft is down slightly. CoreWeave is down pretty significantly as we head into trading on Friday. So what we have seen so far in the market this year is a broadening of the market. We're seeing companies and investors turn to a lot of these value-based companies like McDonald's, companies like John Deere, companies like Caterpillar that have these large amount of assets and seem susceptible to any AI disruption. So that's all I've got for this week, as today marks the last trading day for the month of February. If you're following any stocks or any certain sectors, please leave a comment below.